At Afta the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, 3 men were shot dead in Central Village, St. Catherine on Wednesday night. The deceased, all residents of Central Village, have been identified as 20-year-old Matthew Smith, also known as Cool J of the Thomas Lane section of the community, Giovanni Ferguson, also known as Gio of McBride Hill, and Jaheim Ferguson, also known as JJ, also of McBride Hill. My wisdom warriors, 3 men shot dead in Central Village. What go down, we don't know. I'm just to make you know what is going on. I just want to say rest in peace, and my condolence goes out to the family.
At approximately 2:53 p.m. today, we received a call of house on fire at number 14 Whitehall Avenue. Alpha 3 unit was dispatched to this location. Upon arrival, the building was fully engulfed in flame. We used 1 medium jet to conduct cooling down operation. Simultaneously, we were advised that a child may have been in the house, so simultaneously we conduct search for the child, which in result we found her in the bathroom, perished from the inferno.
Was her body scorched or not?
Minor scorch, but she would have passed based on the smoke inhalation. No, the investigator is currently conducting his research to find evidence to substantiate what may have caused the fire.
This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bedroom dwelling?
3-bedroom dwelling, occupied by 5 persons, 1 elderly, the mother, the uncle, her sibling, and the child that perished.
My wisdom warriors, it has come to my attention that the little girl was at the door. Yeah, the little girl was at the door and she did try to come out, but she couldn't come out. Why, me not even know. I don't know what go down. Where was the family? She alone did in the house? Was it only the little girl alone in the house or what? I not really hear too much about this. You understand me? My wisdom warriors, it is a sad situation, It is very sad. The little girl just perished just like that. I want to hear what the firefighter say. But you tell me how you feel about it, alright? Anyway, we have to run up and down right now, my wisdom warriors, at the municipal corporation, because I don't know what go down with the Moca. I don't know how Moca just get up and a text said pan the PNP, so. I don't know how Moca just get up and a text said pan the PNP. My wisdom warriors, yeah? Apparently, so far, all of the municipal corporation with them search, a PNP, This look like a setup, to paint a bad picture upon the PNP. However, let me just read something to you and remind you, say, the Moca is working for the government. You see, if the Moca never did work for government, and if they were independent, my wisdom warriors, because them not independent, If they were independent, the whole of them would have reached up at Andrew Holness Ross house a long time. Yeah? The whole of them would have reached up at Andrew Holness house a long time. Not one of them reach up at Andrew Holness house. Why is that? My wisdom warriors, take the scene. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, Moca, in Jamaica, is accountable to the public and the government of Jamaica. You hear that? The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, Moca, in Jamaica is accountable to the public and the government of Jamaica. It is also overseen by an independent committee that reviews the agency performance, monitors operations, and investigates complaints. Moca is led by Colonel Desmond Edwards, who is responsible for the agency activities, goals, and objectives. Moca works with other government bodies, law enforcement, and civil society groups to fight corruption and organized crime. Moca's strategic partners include the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Chief of Defense Staff, the Commissioner of Police, the Commissioner General of Tax Administration Jamaica, and the Commissioner of Customs. My wisdom warriors, want to hear that? Those are Moca's strategic partners. Want to hear what me say? Listen to me, Jamaica. Me say Andrew Wellness have 28 bank account. Wash him money through them the 28 account there. Thief taxpayer money, thief charity money, and me no see Moca kill up themselves. Me no see Moca kill up themselves. But remember, you know, Jamaica, remember say other day Nationwide put it out. And remember when Nationwide say, them say law enforcement, they never call no name, you know. They say law enforcement is searching KSAMC. You understand? All when they see say there's nothing there. Andrew Wellness breach, the amount of breach Andrew Wellness breach. The amount of breach Andrew Wellness breach and break constitution. And me not see Moca run up and down. I don't see Moca run up and down. Moca work for the government. Moca work for the government. You hear me say it earlier? You understand me? So, how after a sudden now, you get some information and you go St. Catherine municipal. That is where the mayor is, Norman Scott. Because you now call out every single municipal you go, you only say you go a municipal, but you now call out the name of the municipal. But the one them want to name out, a PNP, one them a PNP mayor. My wisdom warriors, you see what is going on? You see, well, I want to take in this.
Right. We are currently here at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation executing a search warrant in connection to an ongoing investigation into allegations of impropriety at the parish council. We've targeted about 17 locations today before coming here. Those 17 locations are the homes and residences of employees and associates of employees of the KSMC, of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. The operation is intended to effect a number of search warrants. At this point, there are no arrests.
My wisdom warriors, you hear what the man say? You hear what the man say, my wisdom warriors? Something in a something, you know. Something in a something. The man say he go to them resident. That him saying 17, you know. Yeah? He's saying go to them resident, you know, my wisdom warriors, and them from KSAMC. You not listen good what this man say? Something alright, you know. Me feel like, you know what? This is just my opinion. My wisdom warriors, yeah? This is to paint a bad picture upon the PNP. However, I believe I want a little trick there under. I could be wrong. I could be wrong, my wisdom warriors. Maybe there's something else them I look for, you know. And make it really look like a raid. Them a raid. You know, so me have a strong feeling a dirty Andrew send them out. I have a strong feeling. Me not say no that happening, you know, but me I tell you no. Yeah, this is my opinion. This is what I strongly believe. Because how after a sudden, Moca run out on the municipal and then just down pan St. Catherine, so down pan St. Catherine. Wanna see what is going on? Wanna see what is going on, my wisdom warriors? I want to hear what the man say. Listen good.
Right. We are currently here at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation executing a search warrant in connection to an ongoing investigation into allegations of impropriety at the parish council. We've targeted about 17 locations today before coming here. Those 17 locations are the homes and residences of employees and associates of employees of the KSMC, of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation.
Uno hear that, my wisdom warriors. So basically, they ain't go at them yard. They ain't go at them yard and they search. Yeah? No arrests haven't been made, you know. No arrests.
The operation is intended to effect a number of search warrants. At this point, there are no arrests.
You see, when them do things like this now, no matter what, people are going to say, see, PNP do this and PNP do that. PNP do this and PNP do that. As far as me see, I just the PNP municipal them a attack. As far as me see, my wisdom warriors. As far as me see. Why they not go over Clarendon? Why uno no go over Clarendon? Why uno no go over Deso? Over Deso uno fi go, you know. Why uno no reach over there? Uno no reach over Deso. Over Deso uno fi go check. Uno Moca, but uno out here check. My wisdom warriors, I don't trust none of them. I don't trust. The only one me trust are Indicom. I don't trust no Moca or whatever because Moca work with the government. I don't trust them. You understand me? And you see what's so other day Kevin Blake boy have meeting with Andrew Wellness for discuss something where we the Jamaican people don't know about. I don't trust none of ratted all them. Because then just want PNP to look bad. I mean, I stop say that. Them know they will do anything. You see, the was so Mark Goldin go in a church, go beat and teach. And Joe, ratted. Him stress right out to the ground. In grieve, he get corrupt. Me I tell you no, he get corrupt. That's why I play back this, you know. That's why I play back that with the Moca man I chat off him out. That's why I play it, because I want to listen good. Something all right, my wisdom warriors. And remember, them always talk about law enforcement is doing searches. Law enforcement. I mean, I say, who is this law enforcement? None of them not say when Andrew Wellness break the constitution and Andrew Wellness use charity money, Moca, uno no see so uno go raid Andrew Wellness ratted whole house. Uno no see that. You see, Uno is not for the people, you know. Uno is not for the people. The whole of Uno work with the government. Uno is not for the Jamaican people. All Uno police, Uno fi have sense. Me no rate Uno. Uno zozo, Uno fi have sense. Me no rate Uno. You understand? No for Uno. Most of Uno grow up in the rural area. Uno know what the Jamaican people feel. And Uno know say Andrew Wellness a corruption, brother. Uno fi go against Andrew Wellness. Me I tell you straight. Go against Andrew Wellness because Andrew Wellness a criminal. Me not hide and talk. Everybody know that and Uno know that. Uno can't make one man have a whole on up on a puppet on a string, brother. How do Uno? How do Uno, man? Uno stand up with the people, man. Stand with the people, brother. That me want. That me want see the police them a do. Stand with the people. Uno not stand with the people. A politician, Uno stand with. Uno not stand with Jamaican people. You understand me? But my wisdom warriors, there is more, you know, so take in this. Nationwide Post, the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, has confirmed that it is involved in a joint operation at 17 locations across the parishes of Kingston, St. Catherine, and Westmoreland. It says the operations are aimed at executing search warrants in connection with an ongoing investigation into allegations of serious organized crime. You hear that? So they must say this raid, them confusing. They must say this raid now is for serious organized crime. So me never know say una check for people with organized crime. So how una miss Horace Chang? That me want to know. Horace Chang was involved in organizing crime. And him a security minister, him a deputy minister. I mean, I say, uno Moca do nothing like that. Uno no come out and talk about nothing. Uno no come out and say nothing to we about Horace Chang. I never know say this uno really I do. Anyhow, my wisdom warriors, nationwide news can confirm Moca raided the homes of several members of the accounting staff at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. When you see nationwide, I carry the news, you know, like this, you know, a PNP, you know. You think if this the Jamaica Labour Party nationwide carry it? Uno thinks that if this was the Jamaica Labour Party, uno thinks that nationwide I go come out and I carry this a news, yeah? No Sankey no sing so. They not do that. Them not doing that, my wisdom warriors. So guess what now? What them do now? Yeah? Them are, remember say other day, the Jamaica Labour Party, them get people for pretend like them a PNP. Yeah? Then go out and light the road of fire and one bag of something and talk about PNP want Norman Scott out. Yeah? Norman Scott, you know. The same mayor right now, you know, we're responsible for the municipal corporation, you know. Wanna see what is going on? Wanna see what is going on in Jamaica? Me I tell you, me don't know how some people trust the Labour Party. Me don't know how some people trust the Labour Party. So, wanna see these homes now where them raided? These people work at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. Wanna hear that? The 17 homes that they go raided. These people work at the municipal corporation. They just want to give PNP bad name. And now they don't make no arrest. They don't make no arrest. And it seems like they don't find what they want to look for. Because this is a planting. This is a setup. You don't know me already. This is just my opinion. This is a setup. Other day they come out. Then cut down tree. They like the tree, they like the road of fire and tell like say a PNP a protest. When you look, I know we can see nobody a protest. No PNP now protest. Nobody no out there protest. The only person out there chat a Jamaica Labour Party. The Labour right them. And them alone out there chat. So no must them do it. Half of them do it. And look now, them that wasn't good enough. They want to get out Norman Scott. So them come back now and send out these idiots. But them are ready. They're going to raid up at Andrew Holness' house. Andrew Holness spend charity money and do as him like and do as him please. And me not see uno Moca kill up on a raw self. I don't see that. Jamaica, me I beg you no. You sleep on my death. Look out on your eye. This Jamaica Labour Party, we do anything. Then we do anything. Then we come up with any tactics for PNP look bad. Andrew Holness, you have to go down. You have to live up from out of House of Parliament. You and your wife. Uno have to go. Uno have to go. This too much now. This is too much. I don't know if Jamaican people now see it. Maybe show them now feel nothing yet. But when you're not ready to feel, it's going to be too late. You can't do shit. I tell you now. I go always start about hot off of the press. I go always start about hot off of the press. Because guess what? There's going to be a point in time where you can't even hear through a channel on YouTube because Andrew Holness are going to cut that out. Why you think that Andrew Holness are putting in this Wi-Fi thing? Why you think that Andrew Holness are putting in this Wi-Fi thing? You think that Andrew want to give you freeness? You stay there, man. Uno stay there. I want to open up on eye. Me I beg on Jamaica. Open up on eye. Please me I beg on before it is too late. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what uno think, uno tell me how uno feel, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.